Hello everyone, I'm Rose here from Korean class. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 로즈입니다. Today we are gonna study just 4 Korean words. So, 뒤죽박죽 섞인 글자를 순서에 맞게 써요. That means write the letters in order because these letters are arranged irregularly. Then let's get started. First one, 티읕, T plus 으 is EU. And 히읗, H plus 아. And we need to think 트하 or 하트. I think 하트 is the right one. 하트 is just heart. Heart in Korean is 하트, like this. Heart. And next one, 디귿, 디귿, D plus 어 plus 기역 is G and E is I, 니은 is N, and U is U. So we need to think right letters, right words. First letter is 누 and 누기더 or 누더기. Actually, 누더기 is right one. 더기. 누더기 is rags, like this. Rags in Korean is 누더기. And next one, 지읒 is J, and plus E is I, and 디귿 is D, plus 어 is EO, and 디귿, T, and U is U. And first letter is 두. 두더지 or 두지다. I think 두더지 is right one. 두더지. 두더지 is more. It's very cute. More. They live in under the soil, under the ground, like that. And forest. And next one, last one, 치읓, CH plus 아 is A, 미음 is M plus O is O, and 이응 is no sound, and U is just U. So first letter is U. U, 모차 or U, 차모. Right one is U, 모차. 유모차. 유모차 is baby carriage. Bridge. Okay. Actually, we learned this letter on the last my videos. So this is just review and think about the complete letter. Okay. And just 차 is car in Korean. Yeah. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 고마워요 여러분. 다음에 봐요. Bye.